Hello guys, welcome back to my channel KSDTechno Space. In last video we have covered basic PLSQL statement, and another video we have covered the cursor, how to declare the cursor in normal way. Okay, now in today's video we are going to cover how to declare cursor with parameter. Okay, in normal way only. Okay, so request you to watch this video till end of this video, and I hope you learn something from today's video. So let's begin for this video. So for cursor with parameter say c underscore cur name p. Okay, it's parameter p, and p underscore vendor code. Okay, and you need to define the data type also here. Okay, so this one is select. I'll copy paste this one from here. Okay, then instead of this hard-coded value we'll give vendor code. So this one we have defined one cursor. So this is our cursor with parameter. Okay, now let's start to open and fetch the cursor with parameter. So let's open this cursor, say c underscore cur name p, then let's loop it. Here important point is cursor with parameter. Okay, with cursor with parameter, when you are going to open, okay, at that time here you need to pass parameter here. Okay, remember this point, it's very important, sometimes we may forget. Okay, so let's open. So here I have given vendor code 3. I'll search for another vendor code. Let's see which is available. Okay, we will see this vendor code 4. Oh, we'll give here, then loop, then fetch this data c underscore cur name p into. Now if you see above, I have to fetch 2 column. Okay, so let's define that 2 column. Say l underscore prdcd. Say if you don't know exact length of the parameter, that particular column, then is better you will give product code. Here is the product code and percentage type. Okay, this is one. So it's a one way of declaring variable. For this one, especially for the variable declaration and how to use you can see here, but what are the types of different variables and how to declare and everything, that I'll, if you comment or if you message me, then I can create one more video for that one. As of now I don't think that is required, because most of the people will be aware about variable declaration and all. Okay, and second variable I need to define this MRP. Okay, here also you can do right, MRP percentage type. This is the best way actually, because at runtime if you change your column name, okay, suppose tomorrow if you feel okay, in my program I want to change my column name from say varchar 2 or number 10 to number 25, or varchar to 100 to 50 or 150, then in that case you don't have to revisit the code and change your length of the variable. It will automatically take care in the code. Okay, so this is best way to do the coding. Now let's fetch this 2 column into this variable. Into first is, what is first column? Product code, and next is MRP. So second MRP, first product code and second is MRP. Okay, now as this is a infinite loop, you know, loop that especially for the loop also we'll cover in the another video. Okay, so just as of now you can understand this is infinite loop, so we need to control that loop so that it will end, otherwise it will never get exit. So exit when c underscore cur name p percentage not found. Okay, now let's print it. dbms underscore output dot put underscore line, sorry for capital, I'll put small only, put underscore line, and here we'll process. So this will be our what this cursor with parameter. So just for better understanding, we'll put cursor with parameter example. Here is the product code. You have to provide your variable, which I have already explained in the basic concept or basic statement in PLSQL. Now next is MRP. So MRP also you can give here. It is like this one, and you can this one MRP you can print here this way. Okay, and let's end this loop. Once you end and close this cursor also, c underscore cur name p, you have closed it now. So this is your cursor with parameter. So what we did here, we have declared one cursor with parameter p underscore vendor cd, and you have passed this parameter to this cursor, so that whatever the value you pass to this cursor, it will automatically fetch the data based on this vendor code. Then we have opened it by passing vendor code and fetch, then you close it. So let's see the output, what will happen to this one. Okay, it got executed. So now this was our earlier one, and another one is this one. So now how many records came here, if you want to understand, okay, that you can do in a different style that I'm going to cover in another video. Those all the things we will cover. As of now, just to understanding how to define the cursor with a parameter and how to use it, this is one simple example. It will be understandable by everyone, even for the beginner. Okay, so this is a, so you see cursor with parameter example. Okay, so this is about your cursor with parameter.